Lego Fanatics, we're back. We're going to keep going. I've got some parts here that I'm going to put together. And I need to do this correctly so that it looks like okay, no. This goes like that, okay, and you have this goes like that, and that's a 4. Aha! Ta-da! Told you. I always find the other one. Okay, that's the bugle, and that goes there. That's the U. Now we're going to make the L. Okay, did I do this wrong? I think I did this wrong. Oh no, we're doing the G next. Okay, I was like, what the heck? So I'm going to put these here, like this. And I'm going to put this one here. This one here. This one's going to go here. So it's the G I'm building. This is going to go here. This one is going to go here. This is going to go like this. And then this one is going to go like that. Yep. And then this goes right there. Alright. Now for the L. I don't know why I had. Okay, so this is going to be the L. We're going to do it the same way we did it before. That's going to be like that. That's going to be like that. This is going to be like this. So just like the last L, this is going to go here. And then I'm going to build the E, which is like this. Bump. Yep, bump, and then bump, and that's going to be the E that's on the end. So as you can see, Daily Bugle. Alright, let's go on to the next video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.